users specific task. Users specific task. It can solve user specific problem. For example, calculating mathematics. We can use a calculator in the computer, or we can use Excel, or we can use even Word to calculate numerical information, numerical problems. So applications are categorized under this. So what are the two categories of application software? The first one is bespoke software and off-the-shelf software. The first one, bespoke software, which is ready-made, and the second one is off-the-shelf software, off-the-shelf and bespoke. What is the ready-made software? This is a type of software. The ready-made software is a type of software which is designed for a specific organization by information system analysts. This is studied first, designed, and different information will be analyzed. Finally, this ready-made software will be prepared. This bespoke or ready-made software is used for a single organization, which is designed for. It cannot be used generally or commonly. For a certain organization, a specific software may be needed. So that's why such type of ready-made softwares are important. So when an organization needs such type of software, they will order information system analysts so that they can study and they can analyze all the documents. They can study how they work, how they process information. Finally, this bespoke or ready-made softwares will be designed and then it will be applicable. Such type of software is known as ready-made software or bespoke software. The other one is off-the-shelf software. Off-the-shelf software, which is already designed and created and commonly used by every organization. This will be designed for a specific organization. This is short form of organization. Designed for a specific organization. And the other one, off the shelf one, is commonly used by almost all organizations. It's known as off-the-shelf software, and they are ready. We can get them from the shelf or from any shop, software galleries. We can buy from any software gallery. So that's why they are known as off-the-shelf software. These are the categories of the application software. The other one is known as the system software. The system software. As I have told you earlier, the application software is used to solve user's specific problem, but the system software is used to manage all the computer resources other than user's specific problem. Mind you. Let's continue. So what is this one? This used to manage all computer resources so that application software can be run, installed and run, can be installed and run. Okay, this system software can be used to manage all computer resources so that application software can be used, can be installed and used or run. This means let's totally see what is the relation between this hardware, software, application software, system software. Let's see the relation between these two. Hardware, system software. Application software, or totally this application software, you can simply see that this is the user. User directly will interact with the application software, and this application software will interact with the system software, and this system software will directly interact to the hardware. This is the relation. So you can put this one. First, we have discussed what application software is and their categories. Now, let's see system software in detail. This system software, as I have told you, it used to manage all the computer resources so that other application softwares can be installed easily and can be run so that they can be used easily for users. So, what are system software? Example of system software, for example, the operating system. The operating system is the major system software that used to manage the computer system. Example, Windows 7, for example. Windows 7 is an operating system used to manage all the computer resources. The other one is among the system software, which include operating system. The other one, programming language. For example, this programming language, it starts from machine language. We will see it in detail. Machine language, and then this machine language will be converted to other modern programming languages like C++ and Java, Visual Basic, and Python. And see, different programming languages are available based on the type of program you want to develop. So programming languages are among system software. The other is device drivers, and utilities. These all are among the system software. Let's see each in detail. The first one, operating system, we have mentioned Windows 7. Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows XP, Windows, even other than Windows, there are also Linux operating systems, even Safari. There are a lot of operating systems nowadays. In the laboratory, you have seen when you start the computer, there is the process of loading Windows. If you observe in the laboratory, you can see Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows. There are different versions. So this is one of the major system software which used to manage all the computer resources. The other one is programming language. Programming languages are among the system software which used to develop all other, whether application or whether system software. These are known as programming languages. This programming language also among the system software. There are different programming languages. For example, um, even the machine language, also programming language. The earliest computer programmers were using this machine language directly, and then nowadays there are high-level programming language like C++, Java, Visual Basic, Python. There are a lot of programming languages. I can't finish all the programming language here. You will see anyway when you become advanced and specialized. You will see different programming languages. Now, the next uh, uh, system software part of the system software is a device driver. What is device driver? All the computer hardware parts need a software for themselves. This is known as device driver. For example, a mouse. A mouse, in order to communicate with the computer, it has a device driver which is installed in this board. There is a circuit board under here, and then also the operating system holds the device driver of this device. When you connect this tool with the computer automatically understands or recognizes this device. So the software that lets all the that lets communicate all the computer hardware and all the computer software, this is known as device driver. Also, when you attach the keyboard with your computer, the computer will recognize what this is, whether this is a keyboard, whether this is a camera, whether this is a image scanner, whether this is whatever, any hardware device, maybe printer, and also there are a lot of hardware devices. So when you connect this device to the computer automatically recognizes as it is a keyboard. Why? Because this device has a device driver, and also the operating system has the device driver for this. The device driver in this device and in the operating system will communicate together, and the computer will recognize this is a keyboard, which is a standard input device. So the software which lets all the computer hardware device communicate with the computer, they are known as device drivers. The printer has device driver, a scanner has device driver, um, even a projector has device driver. Different computer hardware has their own device driver. Maybe it may be automatically installed in the operating system, or it may be specially installed with the CD. This may be specially installed with CD, or it may be automatically installed in the operating system. Anyway, do things these things are known as device driver. Device driver. We will see in the laboratory how device drivers work. The last one is utilities. Different utilities can be categorized under a system software. Utilities like antiviruses, and in the operating system there are different utilities. For example, defragmentation utilities we will see practically in the laboratory, which used to clean the computer hardware junk files in order to clear, or in order to for example, uh, partition, in order to partition, in order to clean, in order to defragment, in order to scan. These all software, they can be categorized as utilities. Utilities. For example, in order to scan computers from computer viruses, they are known as computer antivirus, like Avira, Avast. There are a lot of computer antiviruses, so they can be also categorized in the utilities. So today we have seen this all computer system parts. Practically we will see in the laboratory. For today it's enough. If you have question, you can ask different questions. Okay, thank you very much.